How to remove balance credit from Apple ID. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the product balance from your Apple ID. So let's jump right in without wasting any time. So first thing first, open the App Store on your device. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. And here you will see your Apple ID balance displayed. And if your balance is less than $1 and you are unable to make a purchase or simply want to clear it, then I will guide you through the steps to remove it. So to do that, simply close the App Store and open the support section. And once the app is open, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled App Store. And in this section, you can see the option labeled subscription and purchases. Simply tap on that. And from here, you need to see a two option. First, request a refund and next, unable to purchase. Choose the one that fits your situation. And once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled chats. And from here, you can start a chat with Apple support. You simply need to explain that you would like to remove your Apple ID balance and details about it. And once you have done that, simply tap on Chat Now and Apple should help you resolve the issue and remove the balance from your account. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.